Yeah, the beta program has been really valuable. Like we got to finally meet all the team in person, which I've been talking to over emails and Zoom calls and everything else over the past few years, and it was great to pick their brains and give some valuable feedback on what we've experienced in the field.
We had the chance to see all the new upgrades on the hardware and also on the software, new features on the ScoutDI portal as well.
They have a lot of features that is coming up that is going to help our company for a better inspection in the future.
Então, a gente já tem o geração 2, que é um equipamento muito bom, né? E agora vai vir aí a nova geração aí com um desenvolvimento excelente para esse tipo de atuação.
A lot of improvements compared with the previous generation. First, the combination of the UTM and the cleaning device, just clean the surface, and then we can do the UTM inspection. The drone size, so let's see, it's not smaller, but the length it's a little bit reduced.
I think that all the clients that we are working for are going to be quite happy about it.
For us, I can't for the moment see any limitation for it. I think the sky is the limit.
Todos os tipos de operação que você vai estar tirando a mão de obra humana em espaço confinado.
For our job that we are working in confined space, inspection of tank inspection on FPSOs, this is so much helpful that reduce a lot of time, a lot of involved persons involved in the job, but also involved in danger.
For now, I think that it's the best drone on the market.
Absolutely, I would recommend it because it's the working area for the moment. It's wider. I think it will be more useful in general.
Você tirar o colaborador do campo, né? Aumentando muito a produtividade, você aumentando a segurança e reduzindo o seu custo. Então, esses são os maiores benefícios aí de você utilizar um equipamento como o ScoutDI.
When it's released finally, I can't wait to get it out in the field and see how it performs.